Can I ask you something? Why is it that I can write English pretty well, but when I try to speak, my brain just freezes?
Oh, that question right there is very popular. You're definitely not alone.
I mean, I can write emails, comments, even long captions in English, but the moment someone talks to me in real life, I panic.
That's because writing and speaking are two very different skills.
They're both English, though.
Yes, but your brain doesn't treat them the same way. Writing is slow. Speaking is fast. Very fast.
Too fast for my brain.
Exactly. When you write, you can stop, think, check grammar, change words, even use Google. When you speak, boom, real time, no pause button.
No edit button, no delete button, no try again button.
Yep. Once the words come out, they're already in the air.
That explains why I feel more confident typing than talking.
Another big reason is how you learned English.
Let me guess. School?
Exactly. Most people learn English from textbooks, exams, and grammar exercises.
Choose the correct answer, A, B, C, or D.
Yes, that trains your eyes and your pen, but not your mouth.
So I'm trained to pass tests, not to have conversations?
That's right. You know the rules, but you don't get enough speaking practice.
But I really know the grammar. Why does it disappear when I speak?
Because when you speak, your brain is doing too many things at once.
Like what?
Thinking about ideas, choosing vocabulary, checking grammar, pronunciation, intonation, and on top of that, worrying about mistakes.
No wonder my brain shuts down.
It's like using 10 apps at the same time on an old phone.
Wow, that's exactly how it feels.
And let's talk about fear.
Yes, fear.
Fear of being wrong. Fear of sounding stupid. Fear of being judged.
Sometimes I stay silent even when I know the answer, just because I'm scared.
That's very common. But here's the truth. Mistakes are not the enemy.
Easy to say.
Think about babies. They don't wait until their grammar is perfect before speaking.
They just speak. A lot.
Exactly. And that's why they become fluent.
So, speaking badly is actually part of learning?
Yes. Speaking badly means you're practicing. Not speaking at all means you're stuck.
I never thought of it that way.
Fluency doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from using the language,
Even if my English is broken?
especially if it's broken. Broken English is better than silent English.
I like that.
So here's a simple tip. Stop trying to speak perfect English. Start trying to speak clear English.
Clear, not perfect?
Yes. Focus on being understood, not being flawless.
That feels less scary.
Good. Now here's a challenge for you and for everyone watching.
Oh no, a challenge.
Today, say just one full sentence in English out loud. No translating in your head, no overthinking.
Just one sentence?
Just one. Tomorrow, say two. And keep going.
Okay, that sounds doable.
And if you want more real, practical English speaking tips like this,
Make sure you like this video.
share it with a friend who's afraid to speak English.
And subscribe for more speaking and conversation practice.
Remember, English is a skill, not a talent. So keep practicing, keep speaking,
and see you in the next
video.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel.
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.